We got a 328 BMW 328i. So 2011, we got us a shift knob from Amazon that we're going to be installing on here. It's pretty decent. Looks pretty. So we went with the black because of our interior. We don't have carbon fiber in there, and I'm not changing the interior to carbon fiber, so on and so forth. Yeah. So yeah, without further ado, we can get into it, if I can get into it. But technically, we have to. So this is your original shift knob. They even sell these that you can pull off. But for this, you literally just, so yeah, for your shift knob, you just take it, pull it straight up, comes right off, right? But we want to get in here and pop this open, okay? Some people use that boot and just use the whole boot because they don't want to see the shift on the side also. But we're gonna go ahead and keep our same info, right? So this is our this red wire, red loom with the white connector, and this is the blue connector down here. And so we're gonna have to get those off of there, right? And to get those off of there, there's a tab right here. Okay, so you're gonna want to kind of get off. So with this, get our pick tool in there, and I'm sure there's other ways to get these out, right? My hands are so big, elbows are always in the way. This is crazy. It looks bought too. But yeah, just push down on that or lift it up from this side and pull down. Same with this one. Right? You can just lift up, pull that out. Okay. So you see the stuff goes right here, the orientation of how it is. Make sure your connectors match when you put everything back together. So with these, if there's no marking, right, just count your connectors. Okay, so there's four slots in here, 4 in here, right? There's more than 4 in this one. Okay, so this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So you should know that this one is going to go here, right? That's how it should go, unless we use this side. But no, so this should go here, right? Gotta be careful how you connecting these up. And I kind of match these wires, right? Orange, red, yellow, brown. Orange, red, yellow, brown. Okay, so this one should go inside of here. Very careful. Make sure not to bend anything. Told you my hands are pretty goddamn large. It doesn't make anything easy at all. This will go up in here, right? Because you want this to come down in here. All of this together. So you have 5. Ooh. Snap. Okay. That's how that'll go. And you'll connect these here. So the goal is to tuck the wires out of the way, right? So that nothing is just sitting right there in the way. Shake this down some. There we go. All right. So now let's see what we're working with. Definitely in park. Okay. So we got it. I think we got it. No, that says dry. This one might be backwards. I don't know. Let's see. So that one's lit up, but this is in manual, right? But this is in park like it's supposed to be. So I don't know, maybe we might get rid of this, but we'll check the wires again. But I like it, right? But I want to focus on my, what do we call this? I want to focus on my push start button. You see how ugly it is, right? Well, look what we got in the mail today. This is what we got. Oh, it's backwards. This is what we're working with today. Okay. So this is what I want to play with.
Is your other charger plugged?
My other charger plugged up. I want to pull these out like this. got new cup holders too. Oh, I left the fingerprint. Look at that greasy fingers. Ooh, those look nice. Don't do that. Don't do that, my friend. Don't do that. There's not no screw on that side, is it? What side is it? See if you can.
Be scared I'm gonna break it.
I know. And that's why I don't do body. Let me see. Outside of this wire harness and this strip. Right. So what I'm showing you guys, really, this is for removing the whole panel. You don't need to do that. That push start pops out. And it's on. So we're just gonna try to pop this back in here, even though we can't see anything. So what we're gonna do is, we took a pick tool, popped the black piece out of there. You can see the old one. Right, same thing. This is the new one. We ordered us the little ring that comes by itself. .3M tape on it. Then we're gonna go ahead and pop this right on in here. Uh-oh. Bam. And there we go. And then we'll put this back, because we had no business taking this off. Check the slots. Yep. Just push. It's all dusty now after I cleaned it.